Hi, my name is Giulia, I'm 29 years old and I'm a crocheter from Rome, Italy. I'm so glad and happy to collaborate with Padan. The project is to modify a pattern from yarn and colors that is called Perky Pouch. This is what I will need for this pattern: 3mm crochet hook, yarn and colors then, yarn and colors must have, a needle, measuring tape and scissors. We are going to start with a magic circle and 5 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn over. So now what we're going to do is 2 single crochet and 1 single crochet until the end. Chain 1 and turn again. Now we are going to do 2 single crochet, one single crochet in next 2 stitches, two in next 2 stitches, one in next 2 stitches, and then 2 in the last. Chain 1, and we are going to work now across this flat edge 8 single crochet. Chain 1, and we are going to continue working around the curved edge 2 single crochet and 1 single crochet times 6, so it's gonna be a total of 18 stitches. Now we are going to join the white yarn, chain 1 and turn over. We're going to do 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and continue working 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches and 2 single crochet. It's gonna be a total of 24 stitches. Chain 1 and turn again. We are going to do 1 single crochet next 3 stitches and 2 single crochet until the end. This will give you a total of 30 stitches. To make seeds, we'll get black yarn and needle. We're going to do one little pass through and then we are going to repeat it one time through the same stitch to create one seed. Now we're going to sew watermelons with needle and thread. This is the result. Let me know if you like it. If you have any questions, I'm here.